So today we've got a 2012 Ford Fiesta 1.2 Zetec engine, petrol, with roughly 65,000 miles on the clock. So this one, when you're driving it, it does sound a bit throaty, a bit noisier than normal, and notice that the rear box is actually separated. So I've managed to pick up this exhaust rear box to go on the Fiesta. Not the cheapest one in the world, that was about £90. It's quite a big box and got quite a bit of weight to it. You can get the components separately like that, or you could replace the centre section as well. And a lot of the time I would do a centre and rear, but actually looking at it, I mean, I know it looks rusty, but that's still in not bad condition. It isn't blowing at all. It's the original exhaust on the car, so it's all one piece. There's no join there. So we're going to have to work out where to cut it so the new exhaust can slide on. So this rear exhaust silencer is held on with two mounts, one here and the same at the back there. I'm just going to give this a bit of a spray with some lubricant. Hopefully it will come off with one of those pegs. They can get a bit rusted up and stuck on there. There we go. One old silencer. So now that's out of the way, we can offer up the other one and work out where to cut that pipe off. So I'm just going to put this mount on at the back just to support it and come around this side. I can see roughly where I need to cut it. So we're going to be cutting somewhere up here. So I'll just put a little scratch on that, I think. Yeah, about there. Right, so we'll get this rear box off and grab a reciprocating saw and have a go at chopping it. Right, so I've got a reciprocating saw here. You could do it by hand with a hacksaw. As you can see, the access isn't great. Or you can get a exhaust cutting tool, which is like a chain that goes around, clips back onto the handle when you tighten it up. And you just keep twisting it and it cuts through. But I'm going to have a go with this, see how we get on. bit fiddly. Probably do with a new cutting blade actually. There we go. You always find the original systems, the metal's a lot thicker than the replacement parts. Right, so I'll start by just popping this clamp over. Leave that down there out of the way. I'll give this a little sand off. A bit of emery paper, hopefully help me to slide the new section on. I've also got some exhaust jointing paste. Just helps to seal up any little holes there might be, any little gaps. You don't have to use it, but you know, it can help prevent a little exhaust blow, and it does help to slide the section on. Oops. That should do. Right, put a bit more spray on these rubbers. Hopefully, I've cut it in the right place. That seems to be lined up okay. And you can see through the slit there that it's gone right over the exhaust. Just put a bit of that paste in there. There's another slit round the other side, exactly the same. So the clamp. Hopefully that can go there without knocking on anything. I'll grab a 13mm. Try and do these up fairly evenly. It's tight. Yep, doesn't twist on there now, so all that's left to do now really is to give it a run around the road and make sure it doesn't rattle or knock on anything. If it does, you can loosen the clamp and give it a little tweak, and sometimes you do find these aftermarket exhausts, they don't fit exactly the same as a genuine Ford part would do, but you can normally tweak them up and make them work. So once I'd let the ramp down, actually discovered that this centre section was hanging too low. The ramp was actually supporting it and holding it up. So I ended up taking the rear box off again, cut off this section, put it on. It was a lot better, but still not good enough. Wasn't happy with it, so I ended up taking off that one as well. So you can see that I've taken off quite a bit more there, probably another 4 centimetres. But that's just the way it goes sometimes. Better to do it that way round than cut too much off and find it won't fit. But I'm happy now that it's sitting a lot better. Well, thanks for watching. Hopefully the video's been of some help for you. And if it has, please consider hitting like and subscribe. It'll help our channel out no end. Cheers.